Is it the right time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we'll delve deep into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, January 30, 2024. Today, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Stay informed about any significant updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 18, 2023, our system has identified Google as a buy candidate, with a score of 1.42. Now, let's dive into the performance of this stock during this period. If you followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 11.56% since we first recommended Google as a buy candidate 29 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 0.4% since it was listed as a buy candidate. In the short term, the stock is experiencing a strong upward trend. This creates a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders as it is expected to react back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks the top trend line at $155.15, it may indicate an even stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 13.93% change expected over the next 3 months. This could result in a return ranging between 5.97% and 15.49%. In the 12-month trend, there is a projected 48.56% change over the next year. This suggests a potential return between 32.18% and 50.49%. So, after a year, the stock price could be in the range of $202.30 to $230.33. Our latest daily update for Google brings exciting news. Google stock has been upgraded to a buy candidate. On the last trading day, Tuesday, January 30, 2024, the Google stock price experienced a slight decline of -1.16%, dropping from $154.84 to $153.05. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 1.48%, with a low of $152.78 and a high of $155.04. It's important to note that the stock price has been on the rise for 7 out of the last 10 days, showing a positive trend. In the past 2 weeks, the stock has soared by an impressive 6.23%. Although volume increased by 4 million shares on the last day, the prices were falling, which could indicate a potential risk in the coming days. Overall, approximately 25 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to a value of around $3.76 billion. Let's take a look at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks. The highest price recorded during this period was $155.20, while the lowest price reached $88.86. Currently, the stock price is 1.39%, or $2.15, below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 93.94%, or $2,373.94, below the all-time high, which occurred on June 11, 2021, with a price of $2,526.99. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, January 25, 2024, Wedbush gave Google a sell grade with an upgrade action. On Wednesday, October 25, 2023, it was reported that Needham gave Google a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, July 26, 2023, Susquehanna gave Google a positive grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, July 26, 2023, KeyBank gave Google an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, May 24, 2023, JMP Securities gave Google a market outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Google stock a general rating of strong buy. They have rated the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy. Furthermore, for return on investment, the analysts also give the stock a rating of strong buy. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for Google stock. Google stock currently holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which gives a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections downwards, the stock will find support from the lines at $151.72 and $142.40. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence, MACD. On the other hand, some negative signals have also been issued, which may have an influence on the near short-term development of the stock. A sell signal was recently issued from a pivot top point on Monday, January 29, 2024, resulting in a decline of -1.16% so far. It is expected that there will be a further fall until a new bottom pivot has been found. It's worth noting that the volume rose on falling prices yesterday, which might be an early warning sign. Therefore, it is recommended to closely monitor the stock. In this video, I'll share some interesting signals with you. Let's start with the moving average convergence-divergence. It's currently showing a buy signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which gave a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger is also worth noting as it gave a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average gave a sell signal 11 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average gave a sell signal 32 days ago. Looking at the relation between the short and long moving averages, we see a buy signal 51 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicated a sell signal 18 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average showed a buy signal 30 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 217 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to explore more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Google. When it comes to support levels, Google stock has some key levels to watch. Just below today's level, there is support at $138.45 and $133.84. These levels indicate where there has been high trading volume, which can provide a level of support for the stock. However, it's important to note that if the stock breaks through a support level, it may fall to the next support level. So, in this case, if the support at $138.45 is broken, the next support levels to watch are $133.84 and $133.64. Now, let's talk about the risk involved in trading this stock. Google typically has average movements during the day and good trading volume, which means the risk is considered to be medium. On the last trading day, the stock had a price range of $2.26 between its high and low, representing a 1.48% movement. Over the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 1.46%. Before we delve into the potential trading levels for Google, let's first discuss some important fundamental data. Firstly, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This key ratio measures the current share price of a company in relation to its per-share earnings. Google has a relatively normal PE ratio, which is often observed in businesses with established track records or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2023 is expected to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings per share stand at $1.60. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we're going to delve into potential day trading levels for Google. If the market shows an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level for Google, which stands at $153.64. If you're not already holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before considering a position. For those who already own the stock, this level could be worth considering for swing trading opportunities. On the downside, Google encounters its first support level at $138.45. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with a potential rebound in the cards. According to multiple analyst sources, Google has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On January 25, 2024, O'Toole Amy Thuner sold 1,433 shares of Class C Google stock units. On January 25, 2024, O'Toole Amy Thuner sold 1,321 shares of Class C Google stock units. On January 25, 2024, O'Toole Amy Thuner bought 1,321 shares of Class C capital stock. On January 17, 2024, Pichai Sundar sold 3,488 shares of Class C capital stock. On January 17, 2024, Pichai Sundar sold 15,323 shares of Class C capital stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -26.561. Overall, insiders have purchased 432,421 shares and sold 745,400 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $148.70, which represents a decrease of 2.84%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 is at 80, which substantially increases the risk. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was found just 1 day ago. Is Google stock a good buy? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, we believe that the current level could present a buying opportunity for Google stock. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, January 31st, we expect Google to open up $0.572 and commence trading at $153.62. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We recommend speaking with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your opinion on our current view of the stock. Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day.